past few days, we've seen some farms where the owners have cattle, and the cattle have to be, for example, 3 days in a plot to prevent overgrazing, and then they move the cattle as a herd to another plot of the farm. But if the farmers delay 2 or 3 days, the problem is that the animals will eat the existing natural regeneration. Also, in this climate, we have other types of farms that have wild animals, such as deer, roe deer, wild boar, and it's impossible to move these animals as if they were a herd. So they will go to plots that have already been grazed and eat the natural regeneration. How do you handle this kind of situation with elephants in Zimbabwe? Or how can you prevent this?
And you're using this technology to help get trees growing. And as you say, it's not the best, but it's helpful. And you're asking how we're managing in Zimbabwe. In Zimbabwe, we are doing that, and our ground was very, very bad. Now, we are getting everything growing. The shrubs, the trees, the grass, everything is growing. We are battling now to keep pace with the production of the land. And we have elephants and buffalo and giraffe and all that wildlife. And when we started, we had no elephants and no buffalo. Now, some days we can have 500 buffalo or 300 buffalo, and some days we can have 100, 200, 500 elephants. Right now, we are having 4 trees still, 4 species of tree that we think are important for us, big, charismatic trees, and they are germinating, but something is killing them. And it could be the baboons, the bushbuck, the kudu, the reetbuck, all these small animals, and when they get bigger, the elephants are killing them. So now we're needing research to learn why. And as an interim, temporary measure, with your help, we're using some of this to protect the large trees while we solve the problem. Yeah, you do need, you need the trees, shrubs, and you need an age class. I look at these trees. How old are most of those trees?
They're very old.
Very old.
500 years.
Yeah, correct.
And in 100 years, these trees will disappear and you will not see a natural regeneration to replace them.
You are preaching to the choir. That's the problem, yes. So this, I like the product as a temporary measure, and we're using it, but you've done a little experiment here. It's nice to see that the grass can grow high here.